We are El.mo S.p.A, an Italian company established in 1975, operating in the security sector. We develop integrated solutions for the protection of people, environments, and assets, both in residential, industrial, and public settings. We offer intelligent, flexible, and tailor-made security for every customer, in Italy and worldwide. From intrusion detection to fire detection, from video surveillance to access control systems. Our production takes place in Italy, but we operate in Europe, Africa, and in the Middle East. What sets us apart is our ability to customize every solution, perfectly adapting it to the market needs. We support our clients with technical, design, commercial, and training assistance. It's this comprehensive and human approach that makes the difference. Our strength? Integration. Our devices communicate with each other natively and can easily connect with third-party technologies, offering centralized and intuitive management from a single platform. We offer innovative, durable, and backwards compatible solutions, capable of reducing waste and enhancing our clients' investments. Think local, act global. Our solutions are born here in the heart of Italy, but are designed to adapt to and protect realities all over the world. Because for us, security is a universal value, but always tailor-made.